Hello friends, my name is Anmol Kambos and today is my presentation about a successful leader and today's my topic is Ratan Naval Tata and first of all its content in my this presentation slide. First of all I describe the introduction then early career of Ratan Tata and his style of leadership as well as successful as leader and lesson learned and lasting the references. Okay, guys. First of all, introduction. So, Ratan Tata is the chairman of the Tata Group companies, and he was born on December 28, 1937, in Bombay, India. And he is also an Indian businessman as well as former chairman of Tata Sons. And he also chairman of Tata Group from 1990 to 212 as interim chairman from October 2016 through February 2017 and also continued to head its charitable trust. So he was the one of make the group successful business under his leadership. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and also second time he also this awarded by 2000. So in 2010, Ratan Tata was named one of the 50 people who mattered 2010 by New Statesman magazine. Now Tata Company acquired 32 companies worldwide. So now I'm talking about his early career. So Ratan Tata completed schools from Champion School. Then in 1962, he pursued BSc degree in agriculture from Cornell University and completed the advanced management program from Harvard Business School later on. And he joined the Tata Steel at first to gain some practical knowledge about the business and also appointed as director of Tata Industry. Later on in 2007, Chorus Group was acquired by the Tata Sons. And the main thing in 2008, under the control and chairman of the Tata Motorsport Jaguar and Rover, which was worth $1.15 billion, that developed it a global business. So now I'm talking about the leadership style. He adopted democratic leadership style in his life. The leadership qualities he opposed are a visionary person which make Ratan Tata more valuable and the net profit of company become 4 times more in his life. He believes in cooperation and friendly relationship and acknowledge the work of others. Due to his creativity skill, product like Titan Aegis World Thinus Force Nano car, which came in the 2014 cheapest car in the India, he thinks out of the box. And he also is the risk taker with full positivity. He is experimental and inspiring person. So now successful as leader. The Tata Group includes the largest steel company of India, on the biggest auto manufacturer. The group owns second largest manufacturer of tea, Tata Global Beverage. They also formed a joint venture with Starbucks Limited. The Tata Motor is listed in the world largest stock exchange in Tata Industry. Also, it's also worldwide 100 country. Tata Sky satellite television is serves across the country in India. The most important fact is Tata Consultancy Service became the first Indian software company to cross $1 billion in revenue. The company went public a year later. So, too many lessons learned from the Tata. So, first of all, to be visionary because it is in the life to successful the most important fact, and another have faith in yourself, which is the big fact in our life, because no one can help us to do anything but we ourselves. We do everything in the life to take risk. If we wanna get something in our life, so we need to take risk. We need to also tough minded and also accept the failure in our life, because failure teaches us how to do this again in correct way, as well as confidence. So in the last, it is the references where I get this data from, this my presentation slides. And thank you.